Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews with a medical and health update about turmeric curcumin. This comes to us from Lumen, and I've been taking turmeric for quite a while. I'm a big fan of turmeric. My dog takes it, my wife takes it, my father-in-law all take it, particularly for joint support. For all of us, we've noticed, and I can say on behalf of the dog because I can't say for sure with her, but we've all noticed that those little joint pains, aches, pains in the neck and the back, they seem to go away when you're on a good turmeric supplement. Now this one is 1200 mg, and it is gluten-free, allergy-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO. You can also go to their website, enjoylumen.com, and read up all the details. I'll put as much in the description below as I can. Now, turmeric, actually, there's 12 different things that WebMD listed that it can really help with. It's one of those wonder drugs and one of the big sellers right now on Amazon because people are realizing that it does a lot of good. It's organic, it comes from the ground. In fact, it is a root that is ground up, dried, and put into pill form. So if you look at it, this is, I don't know, is that about 5/8 of an inch? You can see based on the color, it is kind of an orangish, burnt orange, if you will. That's the color of the root, so you know you're getting the real thing there. If you get some turmeric of another color, I'd question it. You can test your turmeric if you're interested. You can see if it's actually pure, how pure it is. If you take out your pill, you put it in a glass of water, and if it sinks to the bottom in about 20 minutes and doesn't cloud the water too much, you know you're dealing with a pure turmeric supplement. And I can tell you this is about as good as they make, particularly with 1200 mg, which is fantastic, frankly. So natural joint support, anti-anxiety, helps with your digestion. Some people even use turmeric to help with acne. There's a lot of things out there. I will go ahead and try to put all the details in the description below so you can really learn about it. Now, if you have any questions, I'll make sure that the folks at Lumen, and it's again at Lumen on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, at Lumen Naturals, as well as www.enjoylumen.com. They will try to reply to your questions if you have them as well about any of their supplements. They are a fantastic company, one of my favorite supplement companies. So go ahead and check out lumennaturals.com, enjoylumen.com, there we go. And yeah, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask that below. And I will ask you to go ahead and click that subscribe button. We would love to have you in the notification squad. That's the people that get notifications by clicking the notification bell. That way, when we go live, you're the first people asking questions, and I'll try to reply to as many of those as possible. I read literally every single comment on this page. So, again, Lumen makes turmeric curcumin. I had a hard time with it that time. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask it below. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Thanks again for watching. And yeah, check it out. If you're not taking it, I can pretty much guarantee that you're well overdue to look into taking some turmeric. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.